Okay folks, fellow YouTubers and friends, we're back on this thing working on it, this VAWT, the 55 gallon drum VAWT. Now what we're doing is we're putting the wheel or spool has 6 spokes, so we're putting 3 barrels up and 3 barrels down. Now the barrels, because of the way they're shaped on the end, we're using this 1 inch by 1 inch tubing to go across. The piece going across this way is 21.5 inches. The barrels are 22, so you cut them in half, so they're 11 inches from the cut back to the center. So here, this is 1 inch, this is 9.5, making it 10.5 inches for clearance. We weld these in place, this one up, this one down, the next one up, the next one down. That way this one will have a barrel going down, the other one will have a barrel going up. Now, we've already decided, since we do have another one of these spools, 6-point spools, 6-spoke spool, what we're going to do is when we get the barrels that are up this way, then we're going to take the other spool, put on top of that, and put another row of barrels above it. So actually we're going to have 9 barrels fastened to this thing. And that ought to give us some genuine power, because yesterday the wind was blowing pretty good, and we took my fish scales, digital fish scales, and hooked onto it and put one of the barrels broadside to the wind, and it was pulling when the wind hit 10 miles an hour, it was pulling with 12 pounds 14 ounces of force. So, and that's well, it's 4 feet out from center to the center of the drum. So the sprocket over there is 10 inches in diameter. So you divide 5 into 48, and you're going to come out with a little over 9.5. So if you take that 9.5 times the 12 pounds 14 ounces, you're going to get way over 100 pounds of force pulling on the chain going to the alternator. Okay, the PMA. Alright, just thought I'd give you a little update of what we're doing, and I'll make another video this afternoon when we get her finished. Hopefully we'll finish today. And the wind's not blowing very hard. We're going to see if it's not blowing very hard at all tomorrow. We're going to paint her all up and get her looking pretty for you guys. Alright, everybody have fun.